Yo, what's up, YouTube? Today's video, I'm going to talk about the end of the week for GBP as well as update on the new FTMO account. As you guys see, we haven't taken any trades, and that's because, well, GJ hasn't really have given me anything. I'll talk to you guys after the intro. So, in terms of GJ, like for the whole entire week, we just been bouncing off these levels on the lower time frames. As on the weekly time frame, what I really want to note is that we're retesting an area support and resistance for a second time, and every single time we come up here, we do end up reaching 169.000. So I have been waiting for that break above, as well as the fact that, we're also making a higher low on the daily time frame. So to me, this is a daily low. I mean higher low because it is higher than this low right here. So I just want to like to follow market structure and with the upwards momentum, huge engulfing after the support and resistance, I do feel like we're gonna go low at least 169.000. And then in the long run go to 172.000. If you look at the 4 hour, this is the range I'm really talking about right here, is all of this to the upside at 167.500, which is a psychological level. So if you see me marking down the support resistances, we are rejecting the 167.500 even a couple times, as you see with the wicks over here, which is a psychological level, quote unquote, which is basically a level that price can possibly reject. There's just an area there where, you know, and it's valid because if you look to the left, we do have multiple areas of support and resistance and rejection from this area. So on the H4, what I am noticing is a slight trend line going to the upside. You go to the 1 hour where you're going to see higher lows being created. So I feel like, this could possibly be a potential breakout to the outside. We have clear support and resistance up here. I have a daily higher low. I am getting a little bit of trend line to the upside. I feel like we can blow up a little bit again to at least 168.800 for TP1. We have been in this range, so this is me kind of like showing you guys that I haven't traded this entire week. 3 days, longer than that. I haven't traded 3 days. As you guys see over here is my receipts. I haven't taken anything on the new FTMO account. Haven't even started it. And for those of you who don't know, the FTMO account starts the day you place a trade. Um, and this is clean, man. And I kind of want to use this to also tell you guys that you don't have to trade every day. Trading in this range, like even if you tried to bounce off, levels of support and resistance, if you tried to short here, you lost. We didn't even get to the next area of support and resistance. Same thing here. You didn't even get down. We're not even bouncing levels. We're literally just doing nothing, right? Like we trap price in here. We're just bouncing on these levels, and although we are creating a higher low, so continuous high lows actually. So I do feel like at the end of the day, we are potentially going to go and break out above here and basically pop for a nice 130 pips, right? So as long as we just continue to make another high, come down, retest, oops. As long as we come up, come down, retest, get our entries in here, and then go long, just like that. That's GBP JPY to end the week. You guys don't have to trade every day. That's how you lose is by forcing trades, thinking you have to trade it. If the setup isn't there, the setup isn't there. And that's why I always say patience pays. If you can really learn how to be patient with things, and not just rush and start something and getting into trades, you know, you'll see a lot of success even in life. You just got to be patient, right? But GBP JPY, you really got to be patient. Look at this entire range. Not for a whole week, I haven't taken a trade. If I did take anything, I would just be forcing it on my end. Like on my, that's just what I think. So the past 3 days, it's Thursday or Thursday night, Friday. So this is the beginning of the week. We did call that short over here in the very beginning of the week. I believe it was of Sunday right here. Oh no, that was last Friday to end the week. Yeah, we haven't really got nothing. Oh, by the way, I'm congested too, so like this is why I'm not on camera. This is why I'm probably a little muffled, but whatever. So that's GJ. In terms of GBP USD, I'm not really gonna look at it. Not because it's not pretty or nothing. As you guys see, it's doing exactly what we've been saying in the past videos. Let me take the Pathfinder 2. We're making a higher high, higher low, higher high, and now we're slowly making our way up to another higher low. I mean, we actually made the higher low down here. We actually made the higher low down here. Price created an inverted head and shoulders, even breaks above. Now you can expect price to come retest at the neckline of the Head and Shoulders. So that's where I would probably look to get into a trade tonight. If I'm gonna play GBP USD before the news at 8:30, that's the trade I would take. I would probably take a long down here at the 1.22235 area, just basically following H4 support and resistance, right? Because now we have a higher low on the 4 hour. It's giving us an inverted head and shoulders. We bounced off previous market structure area and support and resistance on the daily time frame, creating perfect higher highs and higher lows. So once price comes back down here, I'm gonna set my alarm. This is usually what I do so I know when I'm ready to trade. Oh, new update or something? This looks crazy. Oh, long. And yeah, that's how I like GJ just like that. I think this is beautiful. I mean GBP USD, I think this is beautiful. This is a great trade. Um Gonna go to the EMAs or riding above support. I mean, in the 50 EMA, we're continuing continuously to continue to ride it, right? We're continuing to ride the 50 EMA, and when we come back down to retest, we will probably end up retesting that 50 EMA, and we'll have more confirmation when that happens. Other than that, if it doesn't come down here and just continues so long, I'm not gonna get in. It's not worth it. It's the middle of the move. But this, if we pop, I believe I will make it great. It'll make for a great night of trading. But thank you for watching. Before we leave, again, you don't have to trade every day. You really have to stay patient. Look for the best setups. The term quality over quantity, like like I don't even know how to say it. It really applies to forex. You really got to be patient. You know, this is a game of probability, and you want to take the most probable setups with the highest probability. That's how you'll stay profitable. So thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the week breakdown and little tip on trying to be patient. I'll see you guys probably Saturday. I want to drop a video. I want to drop another video on Friday. More of a lesson type video, back testing GJ, like a breakdown commentary like I did before. If not, then I'm dropping back on Monday. But I definitely think I'm gonna do that. I said I wanted to do that. By the way, if I'm looking at low GJ, I'll probably take TP1 at around this area, 168.30, 300, not 302, 300. Ignore what this line says. I would definitely take TP1 around this area just to be sure, because this is huge wick on the 4 hour. If you look over here, when I'm gonna place this horizontal array, we have a nice wick touch right here before we drop back down significantly. I don't want to drop back down significantly, and yep, that's what I'm looking to take. All right, I'll see you guys later. Deuce.